What do I do if I've been in an accident and I've been hit by an 18-wheeler? Hi, my name is Eric Stevenson with Stevenson Klotz Injury Lawyers, and join me today as I answer this question. So our firm represents a lot of people who have been in trucking accidents, have been hit by an 18-wheeler and need some advice on what to do. And of course, the first thing I tell people is always make sure that you're okay, right? Get out, document, if you can get out, document the scene, take pictures, but also, if you're hurt, call an ambulance, make sure that they come out to the scene to check on you, because if you're in a vehicle that's hit by an 18-wheeler, that is a lot of weight and mass, a lot of force that's going to hit your vehicle that can really cause serious injuries. So make sure that your health is attended to. Go to the ER if you need to get checked out. But what do you do on the scene? You want to take a lot of pictures. You want to take pictures of the damage to your vehicle. You want to take pictures of the damage to the truck. Also, if you take a picture of the truck, on the side door of every truck should be a sticker that says who owns the truck and has information to identify the owner of the truck. Take a picture of the door. Go to the back of the trailer. That may actually be owned by a different company. And so you want to take a picture of that as well, because that could actually be who the driver's working for the person that owns the trailer. So take pictures of everything you can of your vehicle and of the scene and of the truck to document what's going on. Have law enforcement come out to the scene to take their investigation. They will take measurements and pictures and all of that. And then once you've done all of that, you want to reach out to a personal injury lawyer if you've been injured. Most personal injury firms work on what's called a contingency fee basis, which means you see it on the TVs and billboards. You don't have to pay a fee unless you win, unless a fee is recovered. And so that means that the investigation won't cost you anything out of pocket unless there's a fee recovered. So you don't have to pay a lawyer to go along. The investigation isn't going to cost you anything. The advice that you get in talking to a lawyer isn't going to cost you anything. So if you've been hit by an 18-wheeler, document the scene. Make sure that you go to the doctor if you're injured and that you have your injuries attended to, and call a personal injury lawyer for advice on how to make a claim against the trucking company. And make sure you talk to a lawyer that knows what to do with a trucking case, because there are all sorts of pitfalls in a trucking case that are different than a regular case. Truckers have to keep log books. They have to keep all kinds of detail and information about where they've been, where they were going, how long they've been on the road, when they got their last sleep. All of that can be very important in bringing a claim against a trucking company. So you want to make sure that you hire a personal injury firm with experience in trucking cases. So I hope this has been very helpful to you. My name is Eric Stevenson with Stevenson Klotz Injury Lawyers. And if you've been in an accident with a truck, we will bring it to them. Thank you.